locking, I've just got it in. I had more messing about trying to get it lit again, because the problem was, once it goes out, it's out. And you have to start the process all over again. And of course it was so hot I couldn't get the damn thing in. Well, never mind, it's going, and it's going, and it's flowing. Damn, what's this? Look at that. So we've got one big lump over there of good molten bits and pieces of ZF gearbox. So that wasn't too bad. Out of one gearbox and some pistons. We'll just see what this one does. Now, just word of warning. I just made sure that there are no pressure canisters in here at all. No steel, nothing, no sealed containers, because they'll pop badly. And another thing, another reason why I do it in a barrel, you can see the force of the jet will spray hot aluminium all over the place, and you don't want that. Oh, it's made a big hole in the side. Let me see if I can move it around a bit. I thought it might be mildly satisfying for you to watch an engine being melted. An engine block. I don't know, I mean it might be boring, but anyway, here look, zoom in. There she goes. Now I might stand in front of it a few minutes, but I think we've got a liner out. In fact, I think this is how Land Rover do them in Solihull. Just melt all blocks into propane tanks. I'm sure that's how they do it. You can see there's quite a bit of heat in there. Also, there's quite a bit of slag, it's all built up, so we'll see how it goes. It's pouring well. But I fully expected it to get slaggy. We definitely have a liner out. It's just a bit warm, that's all. I think aluminium's got a 660 degree melting point. But last year, I don't know what we were burning on. We must have had some rocket fuel in it somewhere, because it melted stainless steel. And that's well up there. It goes, it's quite good. As you can see, it's quite easy to push. Walk along now. Hey, I could open a crematorium service. Amazing to watch. You know, you probably can see, if I zoom in a bit more, there. If you look where the crank was, you can see the aluminium blowing. And that's why we do it in a barrel, because if not, it can spray all over the place, and it's a bit dangerous, even for me. must be melting well because that block was at the front of the barrel. See that bottom corner here, see how it's melting because of the swirl? Than working, isn't it? I mean, fancy being stuck in an office all day. You know, nice air-conditioned office, chair, window to look out there. Well, you could be here, melting Land Rovers down. Now, you may be asking why I don't melt aluminium cans. Well, it's not cost effective. 2 reasons. First of all, we get 5 cents back on each can. And secondly, if you melt the can down, because of the paint and all the stuff on the side of it, there's an awful lot of rubbish and slag. So actually, if you melt the can down, you're only getting half the amount of aluminium out of it. So it's not really worth it. It's all a matter of cost effectiveness. But castings that have got steel in, oh, there she goes. Castings that have got steel in are worth it. Nice, isn't it? We can see the liner. We're getting an overflow of aluminium on the floor now. There's a hole in the bottom, that's the emergency overflow. It doesn't matter because I'll just put it through again. As long as it's not got steel. shafts in there, but it's hooked itself at the back. Get it out. Well, I think that's it. It's not pouring into the container anymore because it's all blocked up. So I'm going to have to shut this off now because I need to clean that out. Anyway, Jim's coming this afternoon, so I'll clean this out. We'll have a great big mountain of slag, like we did down here, look. See, so we're going to get another one of them, but that was satisfying, wasn't it? Because that's not doing anything now. Right, see you later. As an end to this video, I was cooling things down with the old hosepipe there and actually melted the hosepipe a bit. But you can see there's not much left of that V8 there. There's bits of, you know, ZF box down there. The pistons came off nice. But notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liners. Where's the other 2? Well, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of difficult to see. Here. They'd actually melted and felt a bit. There's bits of piston rings in there. This is a real slaggy mess. Look at it. But this is the This is the downside of this system. It slags up and burns. I'm going to remelt all this lot in a crucible. But anyway, look at that. That is a full pot of aluminium. Nice. So we've got good quantities to do our castings for our adapter plates. But we've got to remelt them and clean them up and make sure there's no bubbles and things like that in them. And I'm going to recast them into a square block. Alright, so let's wrap this video up. See you in the next one, and well, we'll see what we come up with. You never know what's going to happen here. Alrighty, see ya, bye.